What are you? 11 here. Oh, do you want to go on the edge? Because you've got to stand up and walk about.
No, I can just stand up. So please find your seat as quickly as you can and get comfy.
If your bag has a yellow tag, or you've got any glass bottles, these need to go under the seat in front of you. And please make sure the aisle and exit areas are nice and clear.
Just so you know, the plane is currently being refueled. For your safety while we do this, please switch off all your mobile phones, tablets and other devices. Please stay seated with your seatbelt unfastened. For takeoff, so please find your seat as quickly as you can and get comfy.
If your bag has a yellow tag, or you've got any glass bottles, these need to go under the seat in front of you. And please make sure the aisle and exit areas are nice and clear.
If you need a hand, our cabin crew are happy to help.
Have a lovely flight.
For your safety while we do this, please switch off all your mobile phones, tablets and other devices.
Please bear with us and stay seated with your seatbelt unfastened. And remember,
Ladies and gentlemen, we do ask all passengers sat on emergency exit rows such as row 1, 16 and 17, including row 2, D, E and F, to please pop all baggage in the lockers for takeoff and landing. Thank you.
Holidays.
You're about to take off with one of the world's most environmentally efficient airlines. We've got one of the industry's largest carbon offsetting programs, which means that when you fly with us, we've got your carbon covered. In fact, we're addressing sustainability at every stage of your journey, on the ground, in the air, and in resort.
If you haven't done so already, you still have time to download our fantastic app.
We do have a very slight air traffic control slot delay, but it means only about 2 minutes from now, so we'll push it back around about 12, 13 minutes late. We'll do our best to make that up for you on route. The flight time down to Mytilene, 3 hours and 31 minutes, 502.
Cabin crew doors to automatic, cross check and report please.
Hello everyone, it's time to take you through the safety procedures for our Boeing 737-800. This is very important, so please remove any headphones and listen carefully.
In the seat pocket in front of you, you will find a safety instruction card.
It has all sorts of safety information, with info on emergency doors and escape routes, oxygen masks, how to use the life jackets, brace position and more.
You'll find even more safety info in our in-flight magazine. Please be aware of the safety signs in the cabin and follow all instructions given by our crew.
This plane has 8 emergency exits. These are clearly marked and we're pointing them out to you now. There are 2 doors at the rear of the cabin, 4 overwing exits in the centre, and 2 doors at the front.
To help you find your way to the exits when there is reduced lighting and visibility, we have additional lighting in the ceiling and in the aisle along the floor.
To prepare for takeoff, please make sure your seatbelt is fastened, with your tray table and cup holder folded away, your armrests down, and your window blinds fully open. Please check that bags or loose items are safely put under the seat in front of you.
Thanks for listening and have a lovely flight. Toasties and snacks.
Enjoy a half-price sweet treat when you buy a Tetley tea, Starbucks coffee or hot chocolate. You are on holiday after all. Pick up some Pringles for just £1 when you buy one of our tasty sandwiches or toasties.
Choose from select experience.
Across the eastern side now to approach them from the south, so it's quite a low approach. It's also quite a short runway, which means we have to use quite a lot of braking, so it's better than all, but just don't be surprised when we brake quite hard on the runway.
is a good light talk here to Mytilene for the local time. It's just approaching 1:15 in the afternoon. We do kindly ask that you remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the aircraft has reached its final parking stand and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt signs. I'd like to remind you it's not permitted to smoke or vape in the terminal building or on the way to the terminal itself. And for those passengers who have pre-ordered any wheelchair assistance today, please stay seated until the cabin crew can be further assistance to you. Finally, on behalf of your captain, Ben Tranter today, and all your crew on board, it's been our pleasure bringing you down here to Greece, and we do hope you have a lovely holiday and look forward to seeing you on your return journey.
Yeah, go and see my seat if you want. Take the front cargo door because it's stuck.